In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify not opening on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So if you're trying to load up the Spotify application and it's just not opening or the login screen is not showing, then I'm going to show you a few things you can do to fix this. Now the first step is just to head over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Settings, and then we're going to click on the Settings window. In the left hand side, select Apps, click on Installed Apps, and using the search box, just type in Spotify, and then next to Spotify, click on the three horizontal dots, click on Advanced Options, and then scroll down to Terminate and click on this. Once you've pressed this button, scroll down to Reset and click on Repair, and then once you've done that, click on Reset as well, and then just confirm by pressing Reset. Then what you'll need to do is head back over to your Start menu, search for Spotify, and then right click on the Spotify application and select Run as Administrator. And then now you can check to see if that solved your issue. If that's still not working, head back over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Settings. From the left hand side, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, and then once again just search for Spotify in the list of applications, click on the three horizontal dots and press Uninstall. And then just go ahead and uninstall this from your computer. Once you've uninstalled Spotify, you'll need to head over to your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store and click on this. Using the search box at the top, just type in Spotify. Click on Spotify from the list of applications and then just press this Get button to go and install this to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you should be able to open up Spotify and it should now be working. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.